Hi folks, my name is Florian from iProcess and today we are talking about software design flaws. I'm sure everybody has been in one of the following situations. Your device, maybe an IoT device, does not perform properly. You get online to get some help and the first thing suggested, or mostly mandatory, is a device reboot. After that is not fixing the problem, the next step is a device reset. Now all your personalized information and learned stuff is gone and you start over. Needless to say that this is a terrible user experience. But where does this pesky yet widespread problem originate? The answer is simple. It is flawed software design. First of all, the mindset that a system or device can be rebooted or even reset by the user in case of an issue is wrong. This is preventing the flaws in design to be solved and is somehow tolerated by developers. But this does not have to be like that. Following proper coding guidelines will prevent issues that require actions like reboots or resets. Here are a few things that can be addressed. Memory overload due to not cleaning up allocated memory after using it. Oversizing variables like creating 16-bit flags that will eat up storage resources. Inconsistent handling of non-volatile memory between use cycles or between software updates. Endlessly nested functions that will sooner or later run into a loop, or functions not being thoroughly closed after execution. Or just the use of large or likely unknown in size open source libraries. All of the above generates the false impression of being faster in development turnaround time, but in the end generates gnarly bug hunts and unhappy customers at large. Secondly, this also represents a gap in validation in many projects. Usually devices under tests are rebooted between the test execution runs, rightfully so for functional testing. Just like that, the product will never see the real long run in the lab it usually sees in customer hands. Also, there's a mindset issue present, where unexplainable issues are usually swept away with a reset of the device. So here's the crux. Don't design your software with the backdoor of reboot or reset in mind, actively or subconsciously. And do not only concentrate on feature delivery after a fresh start in your validation. If your support or service ever has to ask a customer to reboot or reset your product as a part of the problem resolution process, your software design is flawed.